Hello my money friends, welcome back to the channel. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. I really appreciate the support, and thank you for all the liking and commenting on my previous videos. If you are new to the channel, I'm Dunk. I'm from Scotland. I'm an entrepreneur and then I'm an investor. I'm really interested in finance, and this is my YouTube channel where I will share stocks and shares sorts of tips, financial issues and other sort of money matters. I'll be posting videos here. So make sure to subscribe so that you get all my latest videos, and I hope that you will enjoy them. I started off in the world of finance about five years ago or so, and I understand that it can be quite confusing at first, but don't worry, you will get there. Keep watching the videos and watch other folk as well, and you'll learn lots more about finance. I hope you enjoy. Oh, hi everyone, welcome back. No, today I'm not talking about Volkswagen. Today we're talking about Tesla. So welcome back to the channel everybody. Dunk here from Dunk's Money. Today we're going to talk about Tesla and if Tesla pay a dividend. So in June 2010, if you remember back, that's when Tesla had their initial public offering. That was when you could first buy shares in Tesla. And can you remember how much Tesla shares were priced at? $17 a share. And there's me purchasing stock in Tesla this month, May 2020, at $775 a share. Unbelievable. So a very common question that a lot of people ask is, do Tesla pay a dividend? And the answer to that is no. Unfortunately not. Tesla do not pay a dividend, and I will explain why. So Tesla, like many other innovative sort of companies, so it's very common in the sort of medicine or pharmaceutical companies, where they spend a lot of money on research and development. They try and retain as much profit as possible that they can keep reinvesting into new technology and pioneering sort of engineering. And that is why Tesla don't pay a dividend, because they want to retain their profits for future investment to help the growth of the stock price. Because as we know, a dividend is almost like a wee gift from the board to us shareholders to say thank you for investing. However, Tesla do not pay a dividend. You can even go on to the Tesla website, and if you go onto the Tesla website, they've actually got a statement on their website, and I'll read it to you. So it says here, Tesla has never declared dividends on our common stock. We intend on retaining all future earnings to finance future growth and therefore do not anticipate paying any cash dividends in the foreseeable future. So there you go guys, that's why Tesla do not pay a dividend. And this is very common amongst a lot of big companies like Tesla who spend an absolute fortune on research and development. And in my opinion, I am quite willing to forgo a dividend payment if it's going to allow the company to grow exponentially. And hopefully you've seen my previous video that I made about Tesla stock price, the potential for reaching $15,000 by the end of 2024. That would be unbelievable. Now I'd be really interested guys if you could post in the comments below your thoughts on Tesla and the Tesla stock price. You'll have seen my previous video, as I mentioned, about the Catherine Wood, the fund manager, who believes that best case scenario Tesla stock could be worth $15,000 a share by the end of 2024. Make sure you check out that video and let me know what you think. Will Tesla ever pay a dividend? Who knows? If the company keeps on researching and growing, probably not. But let me know your thoughts below. I hope you've enjoyed this little short video guys, and I hope it's answered your questions. If it has, please just hit like just so I can see that it's had the right effect hopefully, and remember to hit subscribe to get all my latest videos as they come out. Stay safe, enjoy trading. So I really hope you enjoyed that video there. Thank you very much for watching. Please comment below and tell me what you think. If you like this video, please make sure to like it, and please remember to hit subscribe and you'll get all my latest videos. All the best guys, I'm Dunk and I love money, so should you.